Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of crochet ladies skirts designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Why the video start to end? Because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet ladies skirts designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. Crochet fabric adds and textures, handmade quality, stylish and trending crochet skirts are fashion forward on trend. Colorful options, color suite, individual taste, comfortable, soft, breathable crochet fabric provides comforts, easy cares, machine washable and dryable, making them content suitable for crystal dressing or formal occasions. Fabrics, stylish designs, and enhanced self-esteem. Handmade love, each stitch depends care and attractions. Personal experience reflects personal style and taste. National fabric choice or nice chemical-free yarns and the hemoglobin Croatia fabric produce skin irritation, rash, and the soft fabric promote relaxation. Blow maxi shirts, elegant flow swimming, and the designs miniskirts, shorts, playful designs perfect for young weather, and the reload designs add visual interest off center designs and the fair combo, so breathable and the affordable, dryable and the easy to care for, affordable, warm, lightweight and the mysterious Viking and the single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet. Choose suitable yarns weight and the hook size. Consider body types and fit preference. Use study steams and join the black finished skirts. Professional finished crochet skirts offer stylish comfort and the practically, making them a wonderful addition to any wardrobe. Even different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. We thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who are searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet ideas. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Allah Hafiz.